What's up, everybody? Welcome back to day 16 of the free 30-day AI Academy Challenge. It's the end of week 2. Congratulations on making it this far. It's been quite a journey for both of us. And today we're going to talk about building your own personal AI OS or operating system. As many of you know, we have a Jarvis OS that's available, but I thought the personal OS could be something that's just free inside the AI Academy. I believe everyone deserves to have their own personal OS around whatever they're building. And today we're going to talk about how through this past week 2, you've been slowly building everything that you need for your own personal OS. I'm going to show you exactly how to build it inside of Claude or ChatGPT. And then I'm going to show you a few of the projects I have that are working as operating systems for me. I have one big, just personal OS for founder Drew. And then I have some smaller OSs for projects like our newsletter and community and stuff like that. So let's hop right in today. As always, you guys know the drill by now. Subscribe and follow for more new important updates regarding the course. That's the YouTube and Instagram. Share the course. Let's start a revolution and change people's lives together. AI education in the next decade is going to become so important, I think, in every aspect of our lives. And bonus 40% commission affiliate opportunity. Anyone you invite to the AI Academy, if they buy any of our upsells, you get 40% commission, and the rest of it just gets pumped back into meta ads to reach even more people. Monthly giveaways, complete your worksheet, stay active, and level up. Right now we're giving away Apple products. If the community continues to grow, we'll give away even more cool stuff. Get a chance to win those monthly prizes. Bonus tip, watch this course in 2x speed, save yourself some time. And as always, share your results and experiences with others. I think there's no greater gift in the world of 2026 than giving someone the gift of AI education. Can just change so many people's lives in so many different ways. So the agenda for today, we're going to talk about what your AI OS actually is. We're going to assemble it live. We're going to run your goal through it again. This free course is supposed to be very open-ended for whatever goal you may have. Maybe it's 1 million followers on Instagram. Maybe it's an extra $500 a month. Whatever it may be, this course will work for you. And then we're going to ship portfolio number 2 before we dive into week 3 tomorrow. Amazing. All right, so let's talk about what your AI OS actually is. So what this is your week. We've done this throughout all of week 2 assembled. Everything from week 2 now in one place. And it has a project at the center, right? So your goals, home base, we talked about this in day 12. You should have already made your project in the LLM that you want to use for this. And the key thing about this is that it knows you. It knows your personality. It's been personalized in the memory we built in day 11. It has your tools, your prompt library that we've been building. Again, this is why I harp so heavily on doing your worksheets, sending them in the community, and saving them in the project as we continue to build. And then obviously the saved skills we talked about on day 12. This is again why I always talk about doing this course in order. If you skip around, it can sometimes be a little difficult. No new tricks today. Today we're going to connect everything that we've already built throughout the week. So we're now going to talk about assembling it live. Open up your project, whether that's on Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, and this is the project you set up on day 12. We're going to start by loading up your knowledge, the docs your goal actually needs from day 12, and then we're going to set the instructions in the voice, who you are, how you write. We talked about this on day 11 and 13. Add in those top skills, the repeatable jobs that you saved from day 12, and then pin your best prompts. Your library is always one click away. So we're going to run through this quickly. Let me click through this. Yep, instructions, top skills, best prompts, great. And we're going to head over to my browser. And if we go into Claude here, this is an OS system I built for the 30-day AI Academy Challenge. So if we go one by one through these things we're talking about here, the first is open up your project and then loading your knowledge. So in Claude, this is my LM of choice. So we're going to run through it here. Claude instructions, which we talked about, I believe it was day 10 or day 12. So you're going to load up your knowledge and your instructions in here. As you can tell, this one already has memory, which I can now edit because I've been going through this project for over a month now as I continue to build out this community. And then the instructions are in here. Again, we talked about this on the LLM section, but LLMs are trained on everything on the web. But this project is just being trained on these instructions and memories and then the context that I actually give it, right? So set your instructions in your voice. Instructions is also where you should talk about the tone. If you don't know in Claude, if you go down here into settings, you can actually fix the appearance and the voice of how it responds, the speed, the style. Yeah, it can be very helpful overall. Add in your top skills. We already talked about this on day 12. These should just be in your Claude account in general. And then you can also pin your best prompts. I prefer, you can do it on your desktop on a folder. I also prefer just loading in the context here. So then I can click into one of these. I see my daily, like this is my launch checklist when I first launched this community. And I can go in and use these for other things later. So we now want to run your goal through this project, right? So, let me move my camera so I can actually see my slides. So now we want to run your goal through this project. Pick a real task, whatever this may be, something your goal needs done this week or today. And let the OS do it. Research, draft, visualize, go through all the data. This is why we talked about data yesterday. I think it's really important when you're prompting for something like this to ask it questions. Hey, do you have any questions about this? Are there any part of my instructions, voice, the premise of this goal that the Claude project is confused about? Because sometimes a good prompt I saw was from Sam Altman that said you should always be saying, what's the most important thing I'm missing about the situation right now? And sometimes Claude will come back with something that I realized, but I guess I didn't articulate well enough. And sometimes it'll come back with something that I just never thought of, which is obviously amazing. Stay in your voice. It already sounds like you from day 13. You can always edit this if it's starting to seem to drift a little bit. As always, verify before you ship. A quick fact check will go a long way. This is all the way back from day 5. And notice the speed. This is what your setup actually buys you. Versus if you did, again, I can't show you because I'm not sure what your task may be. But if you did this same task and you took it into a blank Claude or ChatGPT, just chat, you will get very different results, and I encourage you to actually do that. And finally, shipping your second portfolio. Produce one output, the finished thing that we talked about at the beginning of this section that was made by your OS. Save your setup, screenshot or export your AI OS setup. Just make sure that you save the project, save the instructions so we can keep coming back to this throughout the course. And then share your win. Go to the school community, post this in the wins channel. You can come over here, you go to the community, and then go into wins here and post. This guy just finished day 1. Post that you finished the second, your second portfolio output here. Most people are not going to get all the way to day 16. So again, if you're here and you're watching this, congratulations. Half the challenge is now done. Week 2 is complete. Keep up your momentum, and let's keep killing it. This is going to get a lot more fun now that we have your own AI OS set up, because now we can start to do stuff with it. Fill out your worksheet attached below or found at foundry.com/day16. And as always, post your results and accountability. Real leverage, not theory. So again, if we come over here, we go to founderdrew.com, and we go /day16. It'll take you right to the worksheet, as you guys already know. You guys are I've done this quite a few times by now. You just make a copy of the worksheet, and we're going to run through this quick checklist for you guys to assemble your own OS along with the days. So again, if something seems confusing, you're like, oh, maybe I didn't get all that section, or like the top skills from day 12, maybe I'm missing that, go back and watch the day 12 section. Run the real task and write it down. Again, these worksheets are going to be so important in the second half of the course, so make sure you're completing them. You're coming back over here into the Academy or going to accountability. Mario here's been killing it, and you post your check-ins. It's super, super important. So the task you gave and what it produced, verify before shipping, fact check one thing, and then ship your portfolio where you saved it and your setup, and then you posted it in the wins. Post results in the wins, post the check-in accountability, and congratulations on your second portfolio already being done. And we're only 16 days in, which is super exciting. And I think the key thing with a lot of this AI stuff is that it compounds on each other. Like once you build the frameworks for certain things, your output can just go through the roof. So going to the summary for day 16, your AIOS equals week 2 done and assembled. The project is you and your tools and your voice. And then your portfolio piece number 2 should now be shipped. And then tomorrow, we're going to dive into week 3. We're going to talk about connectors, which is going to just elevate your AIOS to that next level. If you want to go faster, as always, foundry.com/consultant. All the money gets reinvested to reach even more people. And if you're ready to build and scale, school.com/the AI Academy Plus. If you're enjoying the course, post a testimonial in the wins category. It means a lot. Let's get to work. And I will see you guys tomorrow for week number 3. Peace.